Hi, this is Annette Coleman. Welcome to my studio in the 40 West Art District. I'm here on the nitty-gritty side at 1528 Teller Street. I'm a multimedia artist that works with steel, glass, concrete, and just about anything else I can get my hands on to create public works of art that you'll see throughout Colorado and throughout the nation. I've been a working artist my entire life. I started out in grade school with a first prize and I was able to get a pizza, woohoo! From there, I've segued into art and advertising and then into public art. So I've been doing this my whole career. I have a lot of fun with color. I love doing sculptures for particular municipalities, and so a few of my maquettes are here. I work with a lot of kinetic sculpture, so you can come to my studio and see sculpture actually on my sculpture deck coming and going from the studio. There's always something new out there every first Friday. Thanks very much for visiting my studio today. Come out on First Friday or set up an appointment. 1528 Teller across from Pirate in the Alley.